Okay, so that gets us started on I Need You by LYNYRD SKYNYRD. So this is the Ed King rhythm part. It's probably played on a Strat. This is an A power chord. And one very important thing about this song is it's in 3/4 time. So there's 3 beats for each measure. So you'll feel that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That kind of feel throughout this whole song. So this first measure of A power chord is just 3 beats. And then the next 3 beats are just the 2 on the G string coming on down the chord there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So hold that into the next measure. Kind of rake up on this D. 2, 3. So the second measure of that first one is D. Second measure goes D to open 3. D string down to B string. That 3 bass, that C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we're gonna have 1, 2, chick, chick. So muted hits there. Next measure is D power chord, 0, 2, 3. 3 to 2 on the A. So let's look at all that. We got 1, 2, 3. Start again, A to C. We'll do the D again. And this time we're gonna go. So we have open 3, hammering into the 2, the G string, and back out, and then to that C note. So we have a A power chord, 1, 2, and then we go opens on the middle strings to 2s. Then we got D power chord, 1, 2, and 3. So we had the 0, 3, and 3, 2, open 3, a C9, C add 9 chord. So 1, 2, and 3, A power chord. And that's open to 2. Open 2 on the A, that was down on the G down there. And it might be a ba-dum. Give a listen on that, but it's walk to the C. We got a little G pick up here. Quick hammer. D. Same riff. Top again, we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a great part. So we're gonna have that A power chord. So we have the power chord for 1 beat, and then 2 and 3, and we got 0, 2, 2, 4 on the D. So it's there we go. So open G to 4 on the D, twice, 2 on the D to 3 on the A, open A. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 into the C chord. Got those middle strings. We hammer into the 2 and the D string. D. Quick open to 2 and the G to the open. 3 to A there. And this is like 1, 2. So after the 2, we go 2 to 3 on the A string, D string open. Quick to that big G. Ends with 0, 3, 0. So it's. Now we have a new part. We have A. So we hit the power chord, then we go 2, 2, 2, D to G to D. So we did that 3 times, and then we have. So that's a 1, 2, and big open 3. Back to the 2 more of those, and then we have 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. And that's the whole intro rhythm. Okay, so going back just a little bit, we had. Okay, now let's get on into the lead. We're gonna start with 7 on the D string. We got okay, so that's the intro lead. So we had the 7. And remember, this is in 3, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and that was 7, 5 on the G, up and down that 7, 5 to 8 on the second, back to that 7 bend. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. So you wait for the second beat on that one. That one's kind of similar, you gotta wait a little bit. So once again, we got 8 up and down to 5. Then we have a 5 on the second, 7 up and down on the G. At the very last second, you kind of hit that 5, open in 7. So we got okay, so we had the open in 7 for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 on the D, 5, 7. Slide into the 9, both 8s. 10 on the second, so it's. So this is 9 and 8 to 9, 10, back to the 8, so 9, 7, 5, back to that 7. And then we got 5s on the G and B. So both of them at the same time, and then 3 7s on the G. Second to third string 5s, down to that 7. Then we're gonna have a double stop bend here. We got 8s. Bend it up twice, so it's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna bend it twice, hold it, and then bend it again. Down to that 5, hold the 8. So we went up with the second string, hit the 8 beneath it, up and down on the 8, down to 5 again. Now we're gonna slide into the 11 on the G. It's gonna quickly take us to these little 10s. So 10, 10, 10, 13 up and down to 10. Kind of a couple hits on that. So it's, hold that a bit, we got 8. Big hit on that 10. 8, 8, and then we hold that for the 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we got so 8, 10, 8, 9, 7, 5, 7. So you got the up and down on the 7, and then 5, 7, 5, 5 to 7 on the D string there. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, looking at the second solo now. Okay, let's take a look at the second solo. We're gonna have 1, 2. On the third beat, we're gonna take this 15 on the second string. So 1, 2. Up and down to that 14 on the G. We have a 13 coming up on the second string, little 15. Again to the 13, so we got 1, 2. So 15 on the second, down to 15 below it, up and down on that second string to the 13, 15. So we got a 15 up and down, 13, 15, 14, 13, 12, 14. So we got 1, 2. So we had a 15 bend up and down, 13 on the second, 1.5 step bend on this 14. So we got slide into the 14, 13. Okay, so we got so that was up and down 15 to the 12, 15 to 12, that was second string 15. Up and down to 13, 15. Same riff in there. Okay, solo 3, we're gonna have. Okay, so we're gonna break that one down. We got 15 up, down, and back up, and then 15, 12, up and down, 13, 14, 14 into 13 3 times, 15 up and down, as you can see, 13, 15. That same riff there, wait a little bit, 3s into 5s. 5s on the third and second strings, middle string 7s to 5s. So then we got bend on the 7 on the G with little 8 on the bottom, up and down to 7. That's that opening 7 again. We go. So that's 2 5s, 7 on the D, second string 5 and back. 8, 8, 8, 9, and then big bend there, 8, 10, big bend. We've seen that riff before, and then slide to that 5. Couple chords there. Second to third to fourth there. Then we got a 9 to 8 there. 8, 10, that was a big bend. 8, 8, 8, 10, 8, 10. And then at the end we have 4, 5, 7, 5, 7. Okay, so this solo is 1, 2, 3. So at the end, he's got a 14 on the G, going up, and then twice, and then up and down. Okay, so that was 13, 12 in the second, and then G string, 14, 12 to 11, back in. Twice, once, now here you can go a little higher on that next one. Okay, and it fades out on that. So that's I Need You, Lynyrd Skynyrd. If you guys want, I can do a part 2 where we do the rest of the rhythm. Let me know. Got some tabs on this. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.